All right. We're live streaming and we're ready to go. Um, yeah, right on. How are things going? Thursday we're rocking and rolling here. I've got something that I want to show you guys that I'm happy about. Still have a couple things to do on this, but making really good progress is reporting dashboard for loyalty and rewards. So letting people know how many subscribers, how many people have subscribed to rewards, promotions, loyalty cards, um, how their promotions are doing, the promotions inside the promotions manager, so they can see a better detailed view of their top. Well, here we have their top four promotions, and then we'll probably link to all of their promotions, just kind of show them a glimpse of redemptions, impressions, clicks, what campaign it's part of, what post, and then how much revenue has been reported when we follow up with people and ask them how much their transactions were there. So that's kind of cool. And then also here showing the ROI in the last 27 days. So this is month to date, and then we'll have drop downs here of 30, 90, 30 days, 90 days, last 12 months, all time kind of thing. And then we could show the reporting and stuff for that too. So over all of their promotions that they've run, how many redemptions have they have, how many people have reported, how much money has been reported from each one of those transactions, and then the percentage, and then their all-time ROI will show up here as well, with along with a list of their subscribers that they can rip through if they want to see who those subscribers are inside their system. Now they'll also be able to see like leaderboard and referral leaderboard and stuff like that too. But we want to drop in more details like that, maybe referrals and stuff like that, showing those kind of stats as well. So getting very close to finish the build on this. And I'll be excited to get this out to you guys so that when you're talking with your clients, you have a reporting dashboard and you can show them some metrics of how things have been going for the last, month, 3 months, 6 months, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so pumped about that. And that's kind of my update because it's mainly what we've been rolling on this week, along with little things here and there. But yeah, I'm excited to jump into it to see what kind of questions you guys got today and how I can help you out. Does anybody want to go first? Jose, I know you had a question the other day, but I didn't get a chance to go over it yet.
Yeah, hey, how you doing, Jason? Man, that's awesome. Those analytics look great, man. I'm excited for that.
Yeah, I think
Um,
it's gonna make things really, really good.
yeah. Um, yeah, it was a loom about loyalty cards.
Okay.
So I it was working fine, and then I added my own like image of like my own stamp and my
Okay,
own
yeah.
background, and then it no longer it stopped working. Like it doesn't show.
Okay. You want to send me the page to it and I'll have a look right now,
Okay.
see if there's something that I need to, yeah, just like throw it in chat maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so here's the like the sign up.
Yeah, that'll be good. Uh, Here, sign up for that. Then you said that's not loading, so let's just take a look. Network. That should work. And then weird, I'm not seeing. Okay, let's see if I just need to go like um
And I can share my screen too, because on the dashboard it shows some warnings.
okay, you should be able to. So when you create here, I just fixed it. I was we were yeah, I added a couple. We were changing a couple things in there. And I had a couple things displaying, which now it's good. So the only thing you want to do now is if you come back to this page here and we hit refresh, I'm sure it's going to show up for us. When you create that image, you don't have to put the circles in the background.
Gotcha.
Because what our system will do will go and put the circles in the right spots for the stamps to fit over it when it goes into those places
Awesome.
kind of thing. So yeah, that's back up there now.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, yeah, I'm seeing the stamps and everything too.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. Um,
Yeah, and that was it on my end if someone else wants
okay,
to go.
right on. Got to remember that if that do that right now. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Does anybody else have um anything either else?
I just had
Hello,
follow-up
Jason.
questions of the things I
Sorry.
emailed you,
Oh, sorry.
Jason.
Oh yeah. Um yeah, Dave. Um that was did I send you an email back?
No, not yet.
Oh, I think I was it was about maybe just refresh my memory. It was
Yeah, no
about
problem.
the
Well,
work the automation, right?
yeah, well,
About
first off, I emailed you. It's not a big deal, but I emailed you like last week about the error messages coming up. Those are still there. Um, so when you go to where was it? Hold on. I had the whole order that I did.
try and make it so that we only see those messages. I think I tried to put some stuff around it to make it so that we wouldn't
Okay, so it was
not
when I went to
everything
the
see it.
leaderboard and then I go to details and then I go back. The two error messages come up, and then if I go back to the main page, it just goes to a white blank page. It says no location ID, and that's on one of my sub accounts
Okay,
too.
let me just check that out right at this second. So loyalty points contact.php here. So we can just resolve that right now. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Um it's gonna be location dot ID. Okay, let's refresh that. Okay, that's been fixed. And then if you just
Awesome.
click back, or if you clicked on back to points leaderboard, or which button did you click after
Let's
that?
see. So I'm on here now. Let me go through the process and see. So if I go to points leaderboard and then I
Yeah.
click on view details of an individual, yeah, they're still up there. Like,
So points leaderboard, view details.
yeah, yeah, it's not happening to you. Is there a way I can send a message
Yeah, do
on
you want to
here?
share your screen for a second?
Okay, sure.
Just let me see what's happening there. Oh yeah, because maybe you're getting something different than I'm getting.
So yeah, here I go. Points leaderboard, details, and then all this comes up.
Mm, Yeah, I just changed that one, the 156 thing. So that's weird that it's still showing
And then
that.
if I
But if
go
you click, if
back
you
to
click,
points leaderboard, it just goes to here.
okay, click back again. That's weird that it would do that. But let's go. We shouldn't have. Yeah, leaderboard. And then just mouse over that for a second.
Over
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, like do that. Just one second. So I want to see what the difference is. Then if you click on that, but then you click back on this. So yeah, click on view details. That is weird. Okay, let me think here's something. Let's go loyalty points, leaders. I'm going to change something here. Uh, let's go to yeah, give me one second. I'll get that. We'll get that figured out here. Leaderboard
No
comp.
problem. I'm not like it's not like super urgent. I don't have a bunch of clients signed up yet, so
Okay. Well, we'll get that cleaned up. It's weird because I'll just take a screenshot, and for some reason, I think it's for some yeah, for some reason we're not yours isn't capturing the location ID when it goes over. So I think I just need to make sure that we're passing location ID
gotcha.
with that. So I'll that's weird that it would work for me and not work for you. Um, okay. Well, okay, and then what was your
And then the other one was the QR code. Like I know I can get it on the agency account, but are my clients able to create their own QR code somewhere?
Yep, you can. So, yeah, if you want to give them well, there is. So we've got a couple different ones. We've got that really basic QR code generator, but then we've also got a like a more advanced one that's part of Power Tools too. Are you? I think you're signed up for Power Tools. Yeah, so you got the QR
Yeah.
code generator there. Click on
So I have
QR
it
code
here,
generator.
but yeah, I want my like my clients to be able to like I have restaurant
Yeah,
people, so they want to
yeah,
put
so they
QR
can
codes on
create
their
their own
table.
QR codes.
Yeah.
Click on QR code generator that down at the bottom here,
Oh,
or in the blue or under
there we
Smart
go.
Apps, either one would work. So you can, oh, give me a second there. You should have access to that, I think. Okay. Okay, weird. Do need to do okay. Okay, well, I just cleared up one of those things. Okay. And then under Dave here. I wouldn't have two accounts for you, would I, on here? Let's go, Dave.
I don't think so.
Oh, I do. I have info at Restaurant Patrol and Dave at the Real Barman.
Oh,
Let's just take a look here. I think it's this one. Okay, if you refresh now, if you go right, if you actually if you're inside of our thing, inside of our dashboard, if you right click and say reload frame, it'll just reload that page instead of
right
reloading the
here.
whole thing. Yeah, so if you look down at the bottom, it says reload frame. Instead of reloading all of high level, because this is like iframed into high level, it'll just reload it quicker. Go to QR code generator there. There, now you got a bunch of licenses, so you can get the custom menu link right there. Drop that into your custom menu links.
In the agency dashboard.
Yeah, go to agency dashboard settings.
Gotcha. I'll deal with that. I'll pick one later here. Am I just doing QR code generator?
Yep.
Let's do QR code for now.
And then take off agency sidebar if you want. And then and you can just show it on all your sub accounts if you want to. Just make it a thing so you don't have to add it to any other ones, but just click
Yeah. I don't do I take it off of here or no?
yeah, it doesn't matter. You can have it on both if you want.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, and then that should show up for them to create their own QR code. Awesome.
Yeah, so the only thing you want to do now is go back to our dashboard and just add the account. Just make it available to all of them. Go click on code generator. And then add QR code locations.
Perfect. Add there. Do one more. Beautiful.
There you go. Now they can go and create their own QR codes for whatever they want.
Perfect. Thank you for that.
You're
And then
welcome.
I'm pretty much done. The last thing, which you don't really need to, I know that you're the mad scientist, always coding. Lightspeed was wondering when you wanted to get in and kind of integrate. I know you're busy, so
Well,
whenever you
if we can get that started, then we can start looking at it here in July,
in July, okay, I'll let them know.
which is in like what 3 days or something like that, or whatever. But
That's true.
we can start looking at it then, and then get whatever I need to get a demo account set up or a sub account, or sometimes they'll do like sandboxes and stuff like that. So
Mhm.
we can get in and play around with that. That'd be cool.
Okay, great.
Awesome.
That's all I got.
Okay, cool. Who's
Thank
up
you.
next?
Me, hello.
Fernando, how are you today?
Hey, Jason, how are you? Thank you for
Doing
uh,
good.
being here. Okay, so yeah, I've been playing around with your app in the past days. It's pretty good. I got a request from a client of mine.
Yep.
So he's asking the following. Uh, he's doing a referral campaign, basically, and
Okay.
he wants to give, this is an example, 200 points earned for each referral. So 5 referrals equals to 1 free session. He is a massage business,
Okay.
and the referred person gets $10 off on their first appointment. So okay, so far I'll be using the snapshot that came with the app. I'm
Yep.
using the refer a friend form.
Yep.
And okay, can I share my screen?
Sure.
All right, so let me share my screen. All right, so this is the form, correct? In this case, I'm gonna put my name here, my phone number, referred by ID.
So the referral,
Yes.
the referred by ID is the person's contact ID. I was wondering
Yeah.
where so the referred by ID is the person's contact ID inside
Mhm.
of high level.
Yeah, correct. I see that. So if I go here, let me check
Yeah.
here. Let me find. Uh,
So I was looking, I was in our database the other day and I see a bunch of numbers like that. And I was
test.
like wondering where they was coming from.
Yeah. So let me check if it's here. No, it's in here. Where is that? Referred by ID. Okay, so he's the referred by ID, correct? This is for this
Right.
contact.
So, but the thing is, you don't make up the referred by ID.
Okay.
So the referred by ID is the person's contact ID who referred you inside of high level. So, for example, if I referred you, my contact
Mhm.
ID would go into that referred by ID.
Okay.
Okay. And then when you go to refer somebody, like
Mhm.
when you go to sign up actually and fill out that work with us page, so it's going to be in that
Mhm.
URL and everything, right? So the referral ID is always the contact ID inside of high level. So that ID that's up at the top, that one
This one.
highlighted there. So you don't have to put it
Okay.
in
Mhm.
to that link. When you're inside the dashboard, the link will get auto generated and will use their contact ID as their like affiliate ID inside of the dashboard. So when they share that out, or if you fill out a form to refer a friend or something like that, it will automatically put ref ID equals their contact ID. Okay. So for that's the
Okay.
person doing the referring. Now, um, when somebody clicks on that link or goes from their email or whatever, it'll have that referral ID in there already. And when they go to fill out that form, it'll auto populate that referral ID for them.
Okay. So okay, got it. Okay. So if I click on anything and I'm taken to this form,
Yeah.
this field will be automatically
Yeah. So
filled.
go back to go log into your like your back end dashboard for a second. Go to sites.
All right, I'm here.
Yeah.
Click on forms.
No, how come there's no funnels or sites or anything?
No, I'm not using funnels. The client has its own website. So does this work outside the?
Yeah, it's just you want, and that would probably work. You need to email somebody if you're going to do a referral campaign, then you need to email them their referral link. Here's your link
Okay.
to share with your friends or whatever, right? So if you go to marketing and go to, I've never seen somebody use it without the funnels and everything, so I'm just not
Mhm.
entirely sure how it's going to work.
Okay.
But go to trigger links.
Sorry. Okay, I'm here.
Okay, so you don't have any of the referral stuff or reward stuff installed on this sub account.
No, no, but let me switch to the other Ramatai massage. Let me go here, Ramatai massage. This is what I have.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, originally I installed the app for this location, but I had to move it to a test account so I don't mess with the client's account.
Okay, so you want to make sure that you install did you have, let me just go look here. What email address did you use to sign up under here?
It's
local
David at
5X.
local 5X. Yeah, David.
Okay. Okay. You need to install the snapshot on that test account.
Okay, got it.
Okay. You need to install the snapshot on that test account. And
Okay.
if
Okay,
you're just setting it up as like a master one, so you can kind of go through it. You can't well here, I'll show you on my screen how it works. Okay. Here and then you get a better idea of
Okay.
it here. So
Sorry.
Oh, here, let me. Yeah. Am I sharing now or are you sharing still?
I see yours.
Okay, okay. Um, yeah, so inside of sites,
Hmm.
when we're inside of sites, we have this rewards loyalty dashboard. Inside of here, when we open this up, or I think that's going to take me to the registration page. So customers can register through here. So which version of the snapshot are you using for the massage place?
Not sure. Let me check really quick.
Was it the restaurant one or the spa one or
I don't remember.
Jason?
Let me check
Okay.
here. It only says rewards. Let me check. Go high level small rewards January
Okay. So that's just
2024.
that'll work. That'll work fine for the um that'll work fine for just doing a good referral campaign.
Hmm.
That'll work for that. So let's just go. I'll
Okay.
just go over to the rewards one as well. But we also have a salon spa one in
Hmm.
there that might work better. Like it's just got a few more things. It's kind of branded a little bit differently as well.
Yeah.
And for a massage place, that would work. The only real difference between that and we have more stuff like promotions and everything built out into it, so it makes sense to kind of use that. Let's go to I'm gonna go to the salon one and I'll show you through there. So salon spa. Loyalty dashboard. I know they have their own website, but we still want people to register. What we've created here is a dashboard too, so people can see their referrals. They can see how many points they've earned, everything like that. Because so you'll want to have that set up for the customer as well. So I'm going to open this up. This is the process of somebody just going through and signing up for the system. They can select. So if it's a chiropractor or a salon or something like that, they can go through and select what service provider they want to use. So
Okay.
you can set up multiple service providers in there because lots of time those places were not just referring people to the we're not just referring people to the business. Sometimes we're referring people to a specific person at that business, right? You
Hmm.
got to go see Susan
Yeah.
at this massage place because they're amazing. Kind of thing. So let's just go to conversations here. Actually, I won't even go there. I'm just gonna go. If we go to conversations, if I click on all, it'll send me an email saying welcome. Here, let's click on that. It's going to open up the rewards
Okay.
dashboard. It'll put my information in so I can log in. And this is so I can see my back end stuff, right? So this is where we're going to get our reward reward URL. Now you can email this out to
Hmm.
somebody as well.
Okay.
You can email this out, but you can see right here, we have
Yeah.
referral ID equals this, right? So
Okay. Got it.
when I click on this link, it's going to take me over to it's going to go to the work with us page,
Perfect.
but it's
Hmm.
going to, you know what? I've got that all hidden. Let me go and hide it and I'll show you. Sites, forms, it's work with us. Sorry, I'm going fast. Oh, so forms.
No problem. It's
Why
okay.
did it do that to me? Forms, form builder. And then it slowed right down. All right, refresh.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes high level goes a bit slow.
Forms, form builder. There we go. Then we go under rewards. And then we have the
Perfect.
referral offer capture work with us form. Okay, I'll just unhide those not, you know what, maybe I'll just leave. So this has got the referral ID here. This is a little bit
Okay.
different than the one you have
Mhm.
installed on the for the other person there, but let's go
Mhm.
here and we'll unhide that. And then we'll see that referral ID, which is
Okay, got it.
contact ID, will get auto populated from
All
here.
right. Yeah. Okay, got it. So it's not a
Now,
made up
now the person who
ID.
is referred, if I referred you, then you could fill out your name here and say, hey, I'm interested,
Mhm.
who I want to work with, kind of thing. I'm interested in booking an appointment with this person. Let's get started. Now, you can do it this way. You can make this a calendar if you wanted somebody to book, or you can take them right to a calendar afterwards as well. But now this is going to track that I referred you.
Okay,
And
perfect.
then when the workflow triggers, I'll get
Mhm.
points for you becoming
For you
a
in this
new
case, yeah.
lead, right? I'll get new points
Uh-huh.
for that, but then you can also trigger whatever else you want off of that workflow. Excuse me.
Yeah, basically I want to send them the offer. I have created an
Yeah.
offer for that. So basically I want to attach an offer to an email so they can redeem it later.
Yeah. So what I would suggest though is giving them access to this back end too,
Mhm.
because you
Okay.
can create rewards. Now you give them those 500 points or whatever for referring somebody, right?
Mhm.
And you can give them points for being a new customer, but then they can also come in here and then they can redeem those points for a voucher. When they then have those points, if they have enough points, they can redeem for a $50 gift card or whatever you want to create. You can create any one of those rewards for them. So they can then bring that into the massage place and be like, here, I printed off this voucher for, however many points.
Okay,
You know
got
what
it.
I mean? Does that make sense?
Yeah, but another thing, can I create rewards without having
Anya,
any points?
huh?
Can you create
Okay.
rewards without which? Sorry?
Without having any points?
You
So
can
in
create rewards, yeah.
okay.
So you,
Yeah,
but
because
but you can also give yourself points too. If you're just testing the system out,
yeah.
you can give yourself points, and then this is where you would go and create new reward items. And
Mhm.
then if you're through the system and you give yourself points, you can then also give yourself more points if you want
Okay, yeah.
as well in order to go and
And
so if I went and gave
Auntie,
myself
can you have a
500
question
points.
upon them?
What about the promotions? Can I send a promotion to anyone after the
Auntie,
form is
yeah,
submitted?
yeah, you can know, Auntie, what Auntie?
You can send, yeah. So once you create promotions, you can
Mhm.
then um, send out promotions. I'm gonna give you. You might not have this doc that has a really good, much more in-depth overview of the like
Okay.
more advanced systems. So what we did was we've been going through and building out the niche specific stuff, like the industry specific
Okay.
versions, which make more sense. So I'm gonna share this with you too. I don't know if it's linked there somewhere in the training, I think, but I'll just share it with you right now too.
Yeah, I think I already have it, but yeah, it's
This is definitely what I would like have a look at anyways.
Mhm.
Um, I would use the salon one
Okay.
because that'll set you up with promotions. Um it'll set you up with promotions. It will set you up with all of these things for referring people. Um all the rewards points and everything are in there.
Okay.
And set it up in that demo account and go in that test account that you were just playing around with there. Install it there, um, get it set up, and then
Okay.
you can create promotions and then send those out to
Okay.
customers. So there's just what you need to do is essentially under marketing,
Mhm.
under trigger links. Here, if you want to send out a link after somebody's signed up and they're signed up for promotions,
Mhm.
smart promotions page.
Okay. And
Is it that one
can I
or is
include
this a
that in?
link to promotions page right here?
Okay.
I think they probably go to the same place, actually,
All right.
with you.
So I just
But
can.
we're just passing the contact ID with that to
Okay.
those.
Can I use it in an automation, right? In a workflow.
Yeah, you can totally do it. So there are automations and everything already built in here for promotions, but not in the base rewards one. The base rewards one is just like rewards and referrals. This
Yeah.
one have rewards, referrals, promotions. You can create a referral campaign in here that gives people like you can send out a referral campaign through promotions and then have them you can create a referral campaign through promotions and then also, give them a discount on something, but also you can also have them earn points at the same time too.
Okay. Yeah, because I had created one workflow where when the form is submitted, it gives points to the referrer,
Yeah.
and then it sends automatically the promotion to the contact or to the
Okay.
referrer
Yeah.
to the other people, to the other person.
So a lot of these ones are already all set up. Like a lot of the workflows to do all of that are already all set up in here
Okay.
under like referrals, reactivation, different campaigns in here as well. So you can have a look at which campaigns you want to run too. So promotion funnels and pages. This is where you can have people register for the referral campaign. So yeah, there's a bunch of different options inside of this one anyways.
All right, got it.
There's
Perfect. So
probably
okay, so
more. There tends to be more than you need, but if you're not really, if the clients don't need to get into the back end to do any of that kind of stuff, all they really need access to is a way to create those promotions and see what they redeem on the front end there.
all right, perfect, got it.
That's
Okay,
what
so I think
that's what I
this.
suggest anyways. So
Okay, okay, this clears things up a little bit. So I'm gonna take a look, another shot at this to see if
okay,
it works as expected. All right.
all right.
All right,
Yeah, I'm
perfect.
glad
So,
I'm glad I could clear it up a little bit there for you.
yeah, this worked. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, awesome.
All right.
Hi,
Awesome.
Jason.
Hey, George, how are you doing?
I'm good, man. I got a couple questions.
Yep.
Just going back to the referral. With the referrals, right? They would
Yep.
get points after the the referred person signs up or after they click the link.
When the referred person signs up, so you can give, there's 3 levels of points. Which referral one are you using?
The restaurant marketing one.
Okay, yeah. So when somebody signs up, because restaurants are a little bit different, and people don't really get referrals to go, like they're not going to contact the restaurant and be like, "Hey, I would like to come in and book an appointment," unless it's like a reservation or something like that. But typically they're just going to go to the restaurant. So the restaurant one, we're setting it up so that they just join the VIP list and then they'll earn the referrer can earn referral points for that. So the
Okay.
referrer would earn referral points when the person signs up to become a VIP member.
Okay, perfect. Second question. With the social shares, right?
Yep.
Would that be the same? So would the person clicking the link, sorry, would the person who shared the social, would they get points after the person clicks the link or when they
No,
register?
they get the points. The person who shared out for the referral point, like the share points for sharing out on social media, they get
Mhm.
points for sharing the link out, which is usually you just give them a few points for sharing, and then they can
Okay,
only
just
earn
for
those
sharing.
once every 24 hours. And then anybody who clicks that link coming from social media, like say you post on Facebook and somebody clicks that link, the person who referred them only gets points when they become a VIP person.
Got
they
okay,
become a
got
VIP
you.
member.
So it's a double layered points.
Yeah, so the refer would get points for sharing out because they're doing marketing for us, right? They're helping us spread the word of our business. And then for anybody who clicks that link and becomes a VIP member, then we can give them points too for becoming a VIP for that person signing up to become a VIP member. That way, yeah, that way we're incentivizing referrals. Hey, you referred, 20 people who became a VIP member this week, now we have access to that person and that person is on our marketing list. So yeah, of course, then we want to, reward them for, building up our list of customers.
Okay. Awesome. Okay.
Does that make sense?
No, yeah, that's clear. My only question is when they click for the social share, right?
Yep.
And that do they send out their personalized referral link,
Yeah,
or
the
is that
referral,
just
that's what gets sent out. Yeah, it automatically
okay?
generates it. And when they click that social share button, it's their own personalized referral link that gets shared out.
Okay, perfect. My next question, I think maybe it was last week. You guys had an update for the social shares button in the funnels.
Yep.
We wanted to know, is there anything we would have to update on HTML, as we don't want to integrate the recent update because we don't want to mess up some of the edits that we already made.
Oh yeah, okay. So when did it was a few weeks ago. I can just so can you actually, do you want to share your screen and let's just see what you have and see if there's any need for making changes?
Okay. Okay. Let me know if you can see.
Yep. Yeah, so then go to the earn rewards portal there.
Okay.
Oh, no, go
Promotion.
back to sites. You were in the right spot there. So
Okay.
loyalty AR001.
Yep. That's it. I think I already had it up.
Yeah, earn
Dashboard.
rewards. It's the earn rewards portal.
Oh, portal. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I have it open already. This one, right?
Yeah, but just go into you probably have the right one already, but click edit. If you didn't go and put X, change Twitter to X, then it's probably the newest one.
No, because I clicked on the link and I just was while I was on the call just playing with it, and it worked.
Yeah, so just go back to the it's just loading
Just waiting
still.
for it to load.
So then scroll all the way to the bottom. And then click go to the very bottom. Go to the very bottom. More. Yeah. Right. Click on that one. And then click on edit on the right hand menu. You'll see it says open code editor.
Oh, okay.
And then let's just scroll down slowly. Might need to give you a little bit of an update.
Facebook, SMS, Twitter.
Yeah, so okay. So here, I'm going to scroll up. Let's go up to, yeah, go up. code needs to change just a little bit. So yeah, just keep scrolling up. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up to where it says like line 10-ish, somewhere around there. Okay, so we have here, I'm gonna paste something into chat
Okay.
for you. Here. So grab what I just pasted, that referral path equals custom values, blah blah blah, kind of thing that I just put in chat, and paste it on right after line 9.
So enter or just place it right
Yeah,
here?
press
So
enter and then paste it there.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And then go.
Just like this with this
Yep, that's
parentheses.
fine. Yeah,
Okay.
just like that is good. And then we'll go back. We'll go to the bottom, and I'm going to copy this. And then highlight, scroll, yeah, go all the way to the bottom, highlight, get rid of Twitter.
Right here.
Yeah, just get rid of that whole line, that whole between the brackets and everything. From 75 to 78, get rid of that whole section.
Okay.
And then paste in what I just sent you in the second comment there.
Okay. Put that back into 75
Yep,
or before.
doesn't matter.
So that was LinkedIn, WhatsApp,
And then
Twitter.
X. Yeah, and then hit save, and then you should be
Good to go.
good.
Okay. And then that kind of leads up to my like last question regarding all of the updates. Um, if we don't want to integrate, for example, the rewards dashboard that you just mentioned,
Yeah.
that would be very integral to us. So we want to implement that. We wouldn't want to update our entire app. So is there any way that we can get, I guess, single or components so that we can make the updates ourselves?
Which the referral dashboard, or rewards dashboard, which are you talking about?
The one you mentioned earlier, where you say you're gonna add the reporting dashboard.
Oh, that is going to go, you won't have to do anything for that. That is just going to
Okay.
show up. That's going to show up under your leaderboard
Okay.
there. So it's not going to be there. The one thing that we did add, and I can share a funnel with it, is we added referrals to the back end dashboard. So you can display it here if you want. So it's a referrals funnel, and it will show the person all the referrals that they've made. So I don't know if you have that in there or not yet, but no, you don't have it there, but here I'll share my screen and I'll show you. So we added this page here under their dashboard right there. So we do have a new page that says referrals, and this will pull in the referrals that in this sub account. I don't have any referrals set up, but let's go to I don't remember if I put it under fitness or restaurant, but let's go check restaurant. So that is one page. So you can import those things individually as well. So like when you download like a latest snapshot, you can be like, oh, I just want to import that one page into the system.
Okay. And then there'd only be maybe little to none, I guess, updating on the HTML if need be.
Yeah, there wouldn't be much updating. You just have to link to it. So if you're going to update this top menu to include referrals, or you could just put a button on a page. Let's say you're on the earn rewards page, which is mostly referrals anyways. So if you're on that page, you could be, view all your referrals, have a button on it, and then it could link over there if you don't want to put in the menu. But let's say we went here and we did referrals. I don't know why it's still showing me that color, but yeah, it'll show referrals here anyways. I think that was my point. I think I didn't add any referrals through this one either. So I'm still in the salon spa one. That's why. That's the problem. It didn't switch me. Restaurant rewards. Anyways, yeah. So I'll send out an email with that and the easiest way to add that referrals page, because I wish I could just share out like a specific funnel step. I don't think I can do that. I have to share out a whole funnel. But I could share the funnel with you, and then you delete everything else except for the referral page and just import that. That's an option as well. And then the reporting dashboard, that one will just show up under your leaderboard here when it's ready to go here. So I got to make a couple more changes to finish that up, but then we'll organize this, and then we'll have a reporting tab up here too. So click on reporting, and then it will import for you, or it'll show your reporting already. There is here. Oh, why am I still in their salon spa one? It's not changing. Restaurant rewards. Hello's being difficult today. The only thing there will be with the reporting dashboard, and I could probably give it to you guys all right now, is we've created a new webhook to capture signups. Actually, I created an entire automation for it. So I thought it'd just be easier to do it as an automation, separate rewards, reporting, and statistics. Here, just I want to make sure this is working 100% properly. Here is we just got triggers for anytime somebody subscribes to rewards, promotions, and loyalty cards, and then we're using this webhook to add them to the proper to the reward system with the under which system that they subscribed to. That way we can distinguish between whether they're a rewards member, a loyalty card member, or a promotions member, or like all three, because you could sign up to those individually. So I'm actually going to take this workflow, put it into its own little snapshot, and then just send that out individually so that you guys can add that automation. And then there shouldn't be much changes or updates to that automation once you import it. I don't think you'll even need to do anything, because it should just be linked up. So we'll test that out and get it sent out to you guys as well. So that way we start capturing all the subscriber data from when people subscribe.
Okay, awesome, perfect.
Yeah.
Well, that sounds great. All
So I
right,
get that on my list here.
That's it for me.
Okay, cool. Shan, did you have something?
I do. Let me find it here. I have a question from Royce that came in.
Yep.
May I ask if it is possible to set an expiry for the revisit promotions? Say if client wants a 1-month expiry on the revisit promos, do I have to remove tag after 1 month in the workflow?
The reactivation one, is that what we're talking about, or?
That's what I'm assuming, yes.
So if you,
Or would it be like second or third visit, maybe?
oh,
The
maybe
revisit campaigns?
the second or third visit. Let's go expire coupons and rewards. So we have these here. We would probably go and if you're gonna do a set like expire the second visit one, then I would probably duplicate this one or duplicate one of these anyways. Let's just do that. Did I just duplicate it? And then what did it say?
I can see it if you go down one more. It
Oh, right
says
here. There's this copy. So if I was gonna do expire a second visit, let's do this one. Let's make this E. Let's go second visit. And I may as well just leave this in here if we're gonna go and do it. If is so I don't think I have a custom value to check for that. So I would just say if they are added to this workflow, I'm going to move all actions from here and move it up here. Because if we want to add them to that workflow, then we'll just do that. And we'll delete this if statement here. Okay, so here, remove from 60-day workflow. That's fine. They shouldn't be in there anyways after this one because they've already redeemed one coupon. So delete that action. Now we just need to go through and we're gonna have to change messaging for the second visit. Because I don't think we have I don't think we have messages in here for a second visit, third visit, fourth visit, that kind, or second visit, third visit, for expiring those coupons. So you would need to go through and make messaging for the second visit, third visit to expire them. And the only thing that you need to really do is expire that promotion afterwards. So we have the smart offers list expired. You can change all the messaging in here, but then smart offers list expired. What we want to do is we want to add see this one we're adding the referral ID because we're expiring it, but we want to do the second visit. So we'll go to custom values, look up second, or look at visit, no, VIP. And then we go find the second, oh, we do have a second visit expire coupon. So we could actually just leave that there. So, but what we're going to do is the VIP program second visit promotion ID. So this promotion ID is going to get added to the list of expired coupons. So they can't come back and they won't be able to use it. So actually, I'm going to go and replace that if at the top. If else, and the branches are we expiring in the second visit coupon? The answer is custom values.
I don't know how you do it. Oh my gosh.
VIP program. We have to find the expire one. In-house expire PPT second visit expire coupon is yes. Hit save. Okay, so this will say, are we expiring the second visit coupon? Yes. Then it will run them through that campaign. So we didn't have a expire second coupon visit in there already. So let's go second visit coupon expired and hit save.
And then maybe change the name of it to like for 30 days or something. Expiration reminder. It says
Oh yeah, so if you wanted to do 30 days, then you'd have to go through and do the wait steps here. So these ones are wait 24 hours, wait 24 hours. wait 48 hours, that kind of thing. So wait 4 days. So this is after 14, this is 14 days. You'd have to go through and update your messaging here for
Yeah.
14 days, or just do one wait for 14. But you want to remind people that that expiration is going to be there, right? They're going to expire that coupon
Yeah.
after 14 days. So
Okay, so I'll just
that's
send
how I'd
him
go
a
and create it.
awesome. I'll just send him a link to the video and timestamp it for him.
Yeah, okay.
Anything else regarding that?
No, that's how I do it. And I guess we should set one up for a third visit as well. We need to create the messaging for these ones are 14 days based off of the restaurants and stuff that we work with. They like to do
Yeah.
14 days to do the incentive rather than 30 days, but there's yeah, we don't have an expiry for those other ones. So if it's the revisit one that they're talking about, then that's how I would go and do that. You just need to make sure that when on that one, after they go to
So he
their
asked,
first coupon is redeemed.
do I have to remove tag after 1 month in the workflow? The answer
No,
is
that
no.
won't make a difference. We need to add the promotion because the promotions can always change, right?
Yeah.
So you need to expire that specific promotion ID
Yeah.
in there.
But
So
so reading the question, I know it's hard without him on the call, but I think he just wasn't even sure if there is a way to set an expiration date, period. So we do right now have them set to expire after 14 days.
yeah.
Yeah, is the answer to the question. And you don't need to remove a tag after 1 month in the workflow. It happens, it's set up to just happen, right?
No, if you don't want, see what happens is they get access to that promotion in the promotions manager, right? On their promotions page.
Yeah.
And we check to see which promotions they have access to. So there's the offers list, which are all the offers they've ever been granted. And then there's another list, which is the expired list. So if any of those offers that is on the granted list are in the expired list, then we don't show them. So they can't redeem those ones anymore. So at the end of that workflow that I showed you where you could expire it, if you just add that to their smart offers list expired, that promotion ID for whichever promotion it was, then they won't get access to it anymore.
Beautiful.
So
Okay.
then what we want to do is the last thing we'd want to do is we want to make sure that if we're expiring that coupon, then we want to add to workflow, add to that expire coupon at workflow there for that second visit. So
Okay.
that's the only other thing. There might be a couple other things that I think of in order to do that, but that's how I'd set it up. Anyhow.
Awesome. The next question I have for you is Samantha asked if so I sent to her the whimsical flow chart, the journey of a promotion that you created.
Yep.
Is there a way to share a template of this that she could tweak and use like as a starting point to plan something else?
I don't know. Not really. It's not like something where you can go and make a copy.
Okay.
Not like, like Google Docs where you can be like,
Yeah.
make your own copy and then go and do it. View comment in there. That's it. There's no way to make
Okay.
a copy of it, unfortunately. Okay.
Okay,
Anyway.
cool. I think that's it. How did you make that so big? When I look at it, it's not that big.
You can zoom in and zoom out. If you hold control and use the mouse wheel, you can zoom in, zoom out, or I think that's just search. Okay. Whimsical is pretty cool. I like it. It's a great tool for being able to like plan out flow charts and just like so for example, use it for a lot of clients to kind of plan out, how their flow is going to work with their current setup. So you can be like, here's all the things that we're doing,
Yeah.
so then clients can see, clients come in, they do these things and they go through and do like that. So it's kind of neat.
It's awesome. George asked also any estimated date in which we will get the reporting dashboard and workflow. Not sure if I missed it.
Reporting dashboard is going to it'll be available in the leaderboard there, so you won't have to do anything. I'll probably just send out a little bit of info on how to turn it on in case you don't want to show all reporting to your customers. So that's an option there for you. What I was thinking is, because sometimes we're using the reward system, sometimes promotions, sometimes loyalty card. So we might not want to show all that info to everyone all the time, or it might be a good opportunity for an upsell. I'm not really sure, but it might make it so that some of that stuff displays and some of that stuff doesn't. Right now, we're pulling in all that information so that where is it here? One of these places. Anyways, it's not up here, but it will. Yeah, it's not there. Anyway, well, we're pulling in all that information so that we can then display it. I will get the webhook out to you for that by tomorrow so that you guys can implement that. And what that'll do is it'll allow you to collect information on new subscribers. We're collecting all the information otherwise, but we're not grabbing that info when somebody specifically subscribes. So when they redeem a coupon, we're getting that info. When they're getting points, we get that info. But until something like that happens, until like a transaction happens, we weren't collecting that info just yet. So now it's set up so that as soon as somebody registers for one of those campaigns or one of those systems, it'll fire that info over to us just so that we can then track. We can then display to your customers, how many people signed up this week or how many people signed up this month, and then it'll just help for reporting an ROI. So I'll get the webhook out to you guys, or that workflow. I'm going to take it, put it into another workflow and send that out specifically to everybody and saying, import this. And then every time somebody joins one of those three things, then it'll send a little update to our system and collect that info for you guys.
And as to when, I'm gonna say realistically, it'll be early next week, right?
I'll send out the workflow tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
And then reporting is probably early next week, but I'll send it out so you guys can start collecting that information. Anyways, ASAP.
Cool. Jose commented earlier when you were talking about when you were working with Fernando.
Yeah.
No, it was with the QR codes.
Okay, the QR codes with Dave. He said I'm missing that as well.
Okay, I'll have a look here.
Hi, Jose.
How you doing, Shan?
Good. How are
Hi.
you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Awesome. Oh yeah, you are. Okay, so here is that. And you should have that now as part of Power Tools. You'll see that in there now. Awesome. Cool. Well, that's
All
good
right,
update.
thank you.
Yeah, not a problem. And you're welcome. So, yeah, if there's no more other questions for today, I think we can wrap it up. And you guys can all enjoy your weekend. If you guys have any more questions or anything like that, shoot me a message. And then otherwise we'll see you guys on either Monday for the agency launch lab call or on Tuesday for the tech call.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah,
All right,
Monday.
see you guys.